Sometimes our emotions can create an overcharge in the body. In Qigong tradition, it is believed that our organs store emotions. In this short video, I want to show you how to release an emotional overload. I will introduce 6 healing sounds, and for every organ I will show you what is the sound and what is the movement. So please follow me. Rest your hands on your lower back to connect to your kidneys. Kidneys are believed to store the emotion of fear. Circle your hands a few times to warm up your kidneys. Holding your lower back, slightly arch forward to create a stretch through the mid-back. Make sound choo. Expounding your lower jaw forward. Repeat 3 times. Follow me. Place your hands under your right breast to connect to the liver. Liver organ is believed to store the emotion of anger and resentment. Make sound shh to create a pressure that pushes down on your liver. Repeat 3 times. Follow me. Place your hands on your sternum in the middle of your chest to connect to your heart. Heart is believed to store the emotion of panic, jealousy, hatred. These intense emotions can overheat your heart. The sound for the heart is a silent This sound releases heat from the heart and makes space for peace and tranquility. Repeat 3 times. Follow me. Place your hands under your left breast to connect to the spleen. Spleen organ is believed to store the emotion of worry, and too much thinking depletes it. The sound for spleen is It's like saying who, but without using your throat. Repeat 3 times. Follow me. Place your hands on your upper chest to connect with your lungs. Lungs are believed to store the emotion of grief and sadness. The sound for lungs is long s. Imagine squeezing air from a balloon. Repeat 3 times. Follow me. We end our practice with centering ourselves and releasing overwhelm back to the earth. The energy of triple warmer gets easily affected by chaos, confusion, and stress. The sound for triple warmer is and it is produced at the upper palate of your mouth. Stretch the corners of your lips to the sides and using the center of your mouth make long sound. Raise your hands up slightly above your head to redirect the energy of overwhelm down to the earth, leading them through the center of your torso. This clears and centers your mind. Repeat 3 times. Follow me. A good idea to use healing sounds is to use them early in the morning when you wake up. Your body works very hard at night to cleanse you, recuperate you, rebuild you. So early in the morning, your organs may appreciate the cleansing. You can practice the 6 healing sounds in a sequence like we just did right now. Or you can choose to focus on one sound only and repeat as many times as you wish. Enjoy your practice and follow us.